Hi guys, if you're facing this error SSL bad record MAC alert on Google Chrome, here's the fix. The very first fix is, so just search services and click on services from the search result to open service manager. Now find any killer network service if you can locate any killer network service, okay, in the list. I don't have in the list, but if you have any, just double click on that and choose stop and choose startup type as disabled for that service. Click on apply and click on OK, and then try again and then restart and try again, and your problem will be fixed. If this does not get fixed, there is one more method. Just locate Windows Time service, double click on it, click on start to make it running, make sure it is running, make sure startup type is automatic, click on apply and click on OK. Now if this does not work, let's move to another method. There is one more thing. Just in the Chrome, just click on these three vertical dots and then click on help. Just hover your mouse on help, click on about Google Chrome and just make sure it's updates according to the latest version. Now if this also does not work, there is one more fix. Just search inetcpl.cpl, click on it. Now click on security tab. Now select trusted sites, click on sites, and now add the URL of the website here. Okay, add the URL of the website. Just copy the website, okay, whatever with the website, and just paste it here, and then try again. After that, try again, click on apply, click on OK, and try again, and your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. Please do like the video to support us, and thanks for watching the Geek.